Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to run PowerShell in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to press on your keyboard Windows plus R. Now here you have to write PowerShell. Now click on OK. So this is how you can run PowerShell in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.